we've stumbled across a bit of good fortune. Even though I haven't finished making the fish spear yet, we still have an opportunity for something to eat. On my left here, got the very beginnings of trout lilies. And over here, these vibrant green leaves are telling us that it's the beginning of ramp season. Ramps are kind of a lot like onions. They'll be around only for a couple of weeks. And trout lilies too, actually, though they're lilies, not onions. These are early spring wild edibles that are only available for a short period, but if you find them, they're absolutely worth collecting. Whereas ramps have that bright green leaf and the red base, trout lilies have this really neat sort of mottled spotty color pattern to them. And when they grow in a little bit more thick, the bulbs are of course edible too, but the leaves taste like sweet peas. Now I have to caution, of course, when harvesting and eating any wild edibles, be sure of the identification of the species. You know, don't just go out and start eating stuff off the ground like I do. One thing that I'd like to point out, for example, trout lilies in the lily family, Cave Wife is allergic to lilies. She ate some trout lily with me several years ago, and it made her mouth itchy. If you eat something and it makes your mouth itchy, don't eat more of it. Just good advice, let's call it.